everybody. Welcome to another video. Today, I'm bringing with a special guest. Okay, bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. Ooh, huh? No! Ugh! Sally could do a magical boo. Nope. Boo. Yeah. Oh.
Oh. Hi, I'm Blair from Jason Was There. I don't know why that's so funny, but hi. I'm unboxing these mini brands.
Yeah, this is what mini brands look like.
That's the back.
No, it's not. I see the
These
front
are
right
fine.
now.
Yeah,
Okay.
this beautiful fish.
Okay. First,
You look for this side right here, the arrow.
there's an arrow pointing to you.
Is the arrow pointing to the top? Let me just speed mine up a little bit. Oh, that works.
Wait, let me try that. Okay.
Good.
Okay.
We thought it was the same one. But no. I mean, look at the box comparison. Where is it?
No,
Look at
it's
the
like
box.
here.
No, where's the box? Oh.
Oh.
I mean, look at the box comparison. And we're like, no. We're laughing so hard. And we see it. And we see this. And we're like, okay, we're good.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so let's start. So I want to see which one I got. So,
Blair from Jason Was There.
looks like I got this cute little tomato garden thing.
Wait,
And
I
let
thought
me-
this was nature. Oh, yeah.
What do you think that is?
Oh, I want this one.
You think that's houseplants?
Duh.
It's nature.
Okay.
Okay,
You
so
are
I got mine
nature,
too.
Blair. You are nature? Okay,
Your
I
mother
got
nature herself.
your mother nature.
Thank you. I control the plants and oh no, I don't want to control that.
This
animals.
is what I got, I think. Okay.
Wait, no, I got strawberries.
No.
Haha.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay, this is what I. Oh, no, 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 no.
Wait a minute.
Okay, we got this. Oh,
So I get to pick some of them actually.
no,
Wait, I'm gonna wait till the end to pick these off.
Okay, put them back on.
That'll be
A
cute.
good
again.
person would do. It's already been 1 minute and 45 seconds. And we got these standy things right here to stand the.
Where did this thing come from? Oh, here
It
it is.
came from heaven.
It came from heaven.
It came from heaven. Like,
Okay, so I got this.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put the dirt in here. Don't worry, I took lessons. That's how I taught her.
Blair, what the Sigma?
Good.
Blair, you can use my scissors.
You had those the whole time.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, now I'm actually not gonna do that because, like, stay. Huh.
Okay,
I
now
don't
have to
need
take
to
that
use
out
magic
again.
for everything.
Well,
Like,
I like to.
because you're just lazy.
Sorry, I'm not lazy.
Sorry,
I
we're
like
just
to let
lazy.
people like don't have to watch more of it. I like to let people watch less because they
Like,
have other
you
things to do
are
too.
weird. Okay, I didn't even.
You calling me weird, girl?
No.
You're the person who said about the Sigma like 6 minutes ago.
You are Sigma.
See,
Okay.
you're weirder.
What one's Basil and was Monday do gaga
Kendall, stop. Stop.
Come on.
Stop. That's not funny. I need a chair.
Okay, need to find my blind. So I got Carlita and Lavender. Okay, Conita and lavender. Okay, I found mine.
Half my head's cut off.
Go.
No one wants to hear singing, girl. Call you, go do you.
Okay, I'm gonna sing.
Oh, can I use this from your mini brand garden? That's gonna make it look more realistic. Haha, on your face, girl. I'm not asking your permission.
Okay.
It's actually gonna be. Just get on the video, girl.
Now enough with my beautiful singing.
Girl, that was just a record player. You're old. You listen to record player when you have a Google in your room.
Or else I'll throw a blueberry at your face.
Wait, thank you, Kendall. That's really kind. I am Google. I'm really. I'm cheating. I'm using this stuff.
Wait, that's actually yours. I stole it from you, remember?
Okay, guys, we paused time. This is how mine turned out so far. I still have to pick the strawberries. This is going to be a sticky mistake.
No, this isn't mine.
I'm stealing your squeezers.
I get out, Gucci.
Girl, no
Okay,
one wants to hear singing. That's the
lavender.
last thing they want to hear.
It's the lavender thing.
Lavender haze.
Okay. I just wanna stay in my lavender haze. Okay. How do you know what one you got? Oh my gosh. Girl, you know it's just kinetic
Okay, guys, good news. I didn't get the boring tomatoes. I got the nice strawberries.
Okay, so fast. First you put this into this. Blur, you are a tomato.
You call me a cookie all the time. Why are you trying to be a tomato all the time?
Yeah.
What are you going to say? My freckles are red now?
You're a cookie because you have freckles like chocolate chips. Because you are a chocolate chip. Chunky chip. Wait, what is it? Chunky monkey. Chunky monkey.
Girl.
You're chunky.
That's mean.
You're mean.
You're meaner. You know you're on camera, right? You.
Okay.
No. I'm not mean.
You're meaner. What did you just do that?
Oh!
Okay. I have a little bit of dirt left that I believe.
I was not traumatized by being called mean. Definitely not. Okay, fine, I was.
I need a little
You
bit.
know you're not gonna be Linda.
Well, I have the Galinda walk in, what's it called? Live Together, whatever. Yeah,
I'm
it's
so
like,
obsessed
so
right now.
once in a while, she'll go like this. And she walks
We're not
like
doing
this.
a review on Roblox. We're doing a review on
And she does like this.
You made the whole house shake, you know that? Okay. Okay. I need a garbage can.
Next, we put
I need
this.
to put your face in the garbage where it belongs.
I will kill you.
She's trying to kill me.
You know, on camera, it actually looks like I was killing you. See? Got it in the dirt. Like you. I got you in the dirt.
Okay. Dig mine. I finished. okay, I have to put some in the sunlight now.
Look, did you actually put the stuff that you had in there?
Yeah, it actually makes it look cute. Unlike you would have to think of it.
Garden.
Anything.
Don't you dare
It's spicy strawberries.
spice it up. Guys, I'm gonna put sprinkles on her from Harry Potter.
I'm just basically ruining
'Kay.
mine.
You're just basically ruining my whole
Video, yeah.
yeah, I know.
Because I'm making you traumatized. What
Traumatizing my sister.
Well, I think that she's got something.
What was that?
I'm going to the bathroom.
Bye. And bring the garbage birth bag with you. Did it have a nice? Did it have a nice stomach?
My barf. I'm kidding. I didn't actually have to use the bathroom. That was my stomach. We went to eat cheese. And my stomach does not do good with cheese. Yeah.
No, that was the pizza. Okay, I finally
have
got.
pizza.
I got it in the home.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Now
Breadsticks and pizza.
Bruh,
Okay, where's the garbage can?
bruh, bruh. I wanted to hypnotize my sister. Who wants to hypnotize her?
Who wants to help me traumatize Kendall? Traumatizing Kendall.
No, you need to know the game Hypnotize. Like, how do you not know what it is? Guys, I bet none of you who are watching this video know what the game Hypnotize is.
I don't any of you guys.
If you don't know what, if you don't know the definition of the valley, then like this video. And if you don't know the definition of blah, the blob, of blah, the blob, Blair, then subscribe to this video. And if you do, subscribe anyway.
I swear.
Don't throw the blueberry
If
out.
you guys subscribe, I'm gonna be so mad.
If you subscribe, she'll hit me with the big banana.
I will right now if you actually do. 2, 1. Banana.
Yeah, we got it from the
Banana. I'm gonna go to
you
my
saw the
alligator. I'll be
video.
right back.
No, don't
Yeah,
you?
big girl. Jessica.
No. Okay, she's go getting it, and it's her birthday. That's why you see that shiny stuff. Cilantro.
Kendall, pause. Kendall.
No. You're welcome.
Don't. I swear. I'll do that again if you punch me.
Okay. Do I just like shovel this out with a little shovel? Yeah. Oh my God.
You do it. You do. You do.
Girl.
Girl.
Why is there chopsticks with everything when you don't even need it?
Those aren't chopsticks.
Well,
Anything, I'm gonna do free. Well, anyways, I'm doing freestyle with the basket I have. That's why it always has like these extra things over here. Don't show more of your room, Kendall.
I won't. You will. You know, we will all do something.
What?
Nothing.
Okay, I need chopsticks anyways.
Girl.
Why is it so sticky?
Because I put it in the garden glue. But how did you squeeze this out?
I used the rest of it.
There's still more in here.
Maybe I'm sorry.
Wait, I put it in the corn. Peaches? What? Cilantro?
Peaches, 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 peaches.
Ah!
Sorry. Wait, these are adorable.
You are not adorable, Blair. No one likes to smell your hair.
I know, because I never wash it. I'm kidding. I washed it this morning. I accidentally put
Okay.
it on my arms.
What should I
So
add
now I'm gonna
here?
have hairy arms.
Wax,
If me and Kendall,
sprinkles,
do another thing together,
wax,
you might see a lot of hair
Water.
on my arms. Okay, don't judge me.
chill lime,
It won't be
Coffee.
my fault.
or liquid sugar.
Liquid sugar.
No, I'm putting the water on it. Even though the water
Let's make the
isn't even
grossest
liquid.
icing strawberry in the world.
Okay, I'm gonna put the water in it so it can
Fine
create
stuff.
more.
Okay, if you have extras of anything, feel free to drop it off at our house. I'm kidding.
Yeah, it's.
We're not gonna actually tell you guys where we live. So good luck finding out.
Yeah.
I swear, if you find out and you tell other people,
We will hypnotize you with banana.
Kendall, we do not threat people on YouTube. You know, you could get your channel banned from that.
Okay, I'm gonna do. Okay, look, come lay on the ground. I'm gonna hypnotize you.
Why? What did I do to you?
You did everything.
Okay, I might have jumped on you on the trampoline.
Okay, just come down.
Fine.
Okay. Okay. Hypnotize. Girl, what did that do to me? I'll attack you, girl. Girl. I'm gonna need you. Girl, Kendall. Run. The power of donut. You're trapped. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Girl, don't jump off your broom. Blair?
Yeah.
Did you pour the cilantro
What's
on
cilantro?
it? It's the red stuff. Blair, are you putting sprinkles on it?
What is sprinkle?
It's what you are putting on
There we go, the world's grossest strawberry.
it.
Who wants it?
Wait, you did that?
Yeah, I made that.
She put this.
At your collection. There you go.
She put strawberry there.
Haha. Out to your collection, girl. Kendall, we do not threat people on YouTube. You know, you could get your channel banned from that.
Okay, I'm gonna do. Okay, look, come lay on the ground. I'm gonna hypnotize you.
Why? What did I do to you?
You did everything.
Okay, I might have jumped on you on the trampoline.
Okay, just come down.
Fine.
Okay. Okay. Hypnotize. Girl, what did that do to me? I'll attack you, girl. Girl. I'm gonna need you. Girl, Kendall. Run. The power of donut. You're trapped. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Girl, don't jump off your broom. Blair?
Yeah.
Did you pour the cilantro
What's
on it?
cilantro?
It's the red stuff. Blair, are you putting sprinkles on it?
What is sprinkle?
It's what you are putting on
There we go, the world's grossest strawberry.
it.
Who wants it?
Wait, you did that?
Yeah, I made that.
She put this.
At your collection. There you go.
She put strawberry there.
Haha. Out to your collection, girl.
Now,
Oh, yeah, guys. Part 2 is like with all the bloopers and stuff. So it gets crazy and you might not want to watch it. I wouldn't blame you. Anyways, I'm working with Kendall this time to edit the video. I want it.
whatevs. Okay, now I'm gonna let this giant
the mess I made.
Yeah, she put cilantro on it.
I don't even know what cilantro is.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Subscribe and like to this video, please. And
Subscribe and like if you want me in another video.
yeah, and subscribe if you want to see
I don't care. I'm gonna make.
Jason from Jason was there. I'm
You know
kidding.
God's never gonna.
Never
Make sure to
mind.
like and subscribe. You can say the Jason thing. Oh. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And maybe you'll see Mr. Handpaint in the background.
Girl. You know he's never. Do you know Dad's never gonna want to do that, right? Anywho, I'm out of here.
Okay, like and subscribe to this video. Bye.